Hey guys, Sandy here, and I wanted to show you my Cheeky Studio kit for the month of September. This is the Wildflowers kit, and we got a sheet of paper with some sketches on it, so that can give us some great inspiration. And I'm super excited about this kit because this is the first kit with Cheeky Studio paper. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pop all these things off, and then we're going to get to the paper, which is super, super exciting. Probably should have prepared this a little bit better than me pulling it out in front of you, but here it is. So here we have Wildflowers number 5, and it is these 3 circles of wildflowers. On the back is this great print. Then we have, which is Wildflowers number 6. This is Wildflowers number 10, which is kind of a minty, tealy paper with some black dots. And then we have Wildflowers number 9, which is this gray on gray. Here we have Wildflowers number 7. It kind of looks like some paint and then a flower on the end of each one. You could hold it that way. You could do it this way. Make them cascading down, all kinds of fun stuff. On this is a solid yellow with some splatters in the corner. Here is Wildflowers number 1. Has a little decoration in the corner and some lines. Wildflowers number 2, which is on the back, is a tone on tone as well. Wildflowers number 11 has a border around it in this great purple color. And then on this side, Wildflowers number 12 is just the wildflowers all over the page. Lots of bright fun. Wildflowers number 3 are these pink flowers here, and on the back, some in the corner. This might be my favorite one. And then we have some cardstock to match, a pale pink and a darker pink. So we have some, let's put that down there so you guys can see kind of more options. We have some pink bows. We have some cut apart labels, and I think there are more than one in here. It feels thicker, yep. So we have these cut apart labels and cut apart circles. These are great if you have a circle punch to just pop them right there. Then we have some sequins. Then we have the ephemera, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out now because this is probably my favorite thing from Cheeky. I mean, look at these flowers. They're gorgeous. Just gorgeous. A couple different sizes. Just love, love, love the flowers. Can't tell you how much I love them. Then we have this. Looks like some close to my heart stuff. It's got some stickers. This is Prickly Pear, so it has stickers in it. Today, good times. Looks like we got half the pack. And then this looks like some coordinating bits and pieces in here. I don't want to, there's tons of little loose pieces in here, so I don't want to take them out. But it looks like it says today, and then there's some letters and some little border pieces. Like I said, I don't want to lose the teeny little pieces, so, but look at these guys. I mean, check these out. And they just match. They're just perfect. Perfectly matched with the papers. So there it is. Keep watching because I will definitely have some layouts very soon with this kit.